Hello everyone, welcome back to Fitri Marisa channel. Today we are going to learn about one of AI tools that can help us to analyze regarding all your documents such as scientific paper, books, thesis, or etc. It's called Chatpdf. Chatpdf can answer all your questions regarding the content of your paper that you need to analyze. So let's check the tools. Firstly, you need to know about the address of the application. This is the address of the application. You can just browsing from your Google, or you can just type chatpdf.com, and then you will guide to sign in with your email. You can use your Gmail maybe or other email, and then this dashboard. This is dashboard from the Chatpdf application. The left side is the menus that you can do whatever you do. Something like you can make a new chat or new folder, and this area, this menu, you can find your histories. All your document histories you can find in this side. And from this right side is area that you can upload your document if your document is ready. Let's check and practice. For example, I have one of PDF document, something like article, that we will analyze of this article. So let's click upload and then find of the document that you need to upload it. For me, I will analyze this document, and then just double click and just waiting for a second, and then here is the result of the providing of this application. In the center of area is the PDF, the document that we need to analyze it. And then in this right side is providing by Chatpdf for us to ask another thing, all of the things regarding the document. For example, I will ask about the main idea of this paper. Something like, what is the main idea of this paper? You can just type it and go to enter. And this is the result of the answer of Chatpdf. This is the answer of the main idea of this PDF. And fortunately, this is the magic. We can know about where the sentence that says about that. This is the number that sign of this sentence. For example, we just can click this. So the document that had blocked by the Chatpdf is sentence that including of this idea, and also this one. Okay, we will try for the second one. Something like I will ask about the research gap. This is the important thing. What is the research gap of this paper? Okay, let's see the result. This is the research gap that can be answered from Chatpdf. So this is the sign that document including of this sentence. So this is so more easily we can find any other question that we need. Maybe you want to know maybe about the contribution of this paper, so you can just ask about what is the contribution of this paper. So let's check. This is the result. This result says everything about the contribution of this paper from number 1 until number 5. Isn't so interesting, right? Okay, if you interested with this channel, just please click subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.